One of my easiest DIY photo art projects is this canvas wall art. It's so easy, super easy, and it looks great once finished. You have a choice of either using a paintbrush or the sponge. Personally, I've used both, and in this particular project right here, I'm using the paintbrush for doing the sides and also adding the Mod Podge. However, I have tried using the sponge, and I personally prefer the sponge because for me it glides on just a little bit smoother, but the outcome is absolutely the same once finished. So whether you choose to use the paintbrush or the sponge, it really doesn't matter because your outcome will be pretty much the same, in my opinion anyways. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to say thank you, Alana Fox, for giving me this wonderful idea. It's absolutely
One more thing I wanted to add
is just be careful in the quality of canvas that you are choosing, only because some of them tend to be a little bit more weaker and not as strong. So therefore, if you're keeping your picture on a stand, it could affect leave an indent in your photo, and you don't want that. So my preference is to go for the better quality.